Hi guys, I'm with my mama, your teacher, and I'm her granddaughter, Layla. And I visit your work one time, and she has a dog, and over there, she's with my mom.
Okay. Hi. Preschool 1, preschool 2, little Sprout. I'd like to show you today. We're going to be practicing on a crunchy slime.
Yes.
Layla's going to be my helper. She's going to show you all the ingredients we're going to be needing. Okay?
First,
she's an expert.
He's sponsored by Almost Glue.
Okay. Layla's going to be using, I made a list here. She's going to use a clear glue. We're probably going to use like 5 ounces. There she goes. The paint, I'm not sure which one Layla will be using, but take a look. Also, we're going to be using the slime activator.
Yes.
What's inside there?
Foam beads and liquid.
Okay. Also, she chose to put in glitter. I believe she's only going to put a small amount.
Yes.
Okay. So she's going to walk us through how to do it. One thing, my friends, at home, you need to do this with your parents. Okay. Yeah. With adults. All right.
I'm much more like I'm 7, so I can do this by myself.
Mm-hmm.
So,
but younger, under 7, you need a parent.
Yeah.
Okay.
A supervision, a grown-up, a teenager, or your older sibling.
Okay, so let's get going, Layla. What's the first step?
First, we're going to use some Almost Glue clear.
Okay.
We're just going to pour the whole bottle in.
Yeah, it's 5 ounces. 5 ounces on the bottle. Okay. Very good. Now, what will be the next ingredient?
Hold on, let me get all of this activator off. You want all of the all the glue inside the bowl, because if you...
All right, how about if I hold that and you can keep going?
Okay.
All right.
That should be
Make
enough.
sure you put it on top of this. Okay.
I got Almost Glue on me.
All right, before you put it in, show it to the children and the parents so they can see it. Very good. What's the next step?
It's school Almost Glue.
Over here we have paint. So we're going to do like 2 drops, Layla?
Well, like, yeah,
okay.
2 drops.
What color are you going to?
We're going to use,
Now, if you mix 2 colors, what can happen? So if you have, let's see, red and blue, what color do we think that we're going to be getting? What do you think, guys? What is it? I'm pretty sure you all know.
Purple.
That's right. Good.
So we're going to go ahead.
So let's do 1 drop of each and let's see what happens. Okay?
We always add red first.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
it's a lot.
That's a big drop, huh? Okay.
It's fine.
All right, let's go to the next one.
These wash up really easily just for soap or water. Just to let you know. Then we're going to add 1 drop of this.
Oh, there we go.
Wonder that sound in the background, that's her dog.
Oh, jealous? All right.
Okay, next we're going to do, go ahead and take the spoon. And we're going to mix it.
We're going to mix it.
And
so can you show the friends what color?
So
now, remember that blue and red, it turns into?
Purple.
Purple. Very good. All right, so what's the next step? We have here number 3.
Hold on.
Sorry.
We're not done yet. We need to get all the colors whisked, because it makes them after it looks like a dark purple if you want, because that's where it's turning so far.
All right, so let's do the slime activator. You want to show my friends at Little Sprout?
No, we are doing glitter.
We're gonna do the glitter. Okay, yes. We'll skip 3. We'll go to 4.
Yeah, because always the activator is always last.
Okay.
Just gonna.
Why the activator is always last, Layla?
So I can mix all of the ingredients.
All together?
Yes.
See, Layla's an expert doing slime. She's the one who's been helping me to the slime at the school.
Looks like we need some more
So
glitter.
I still need a little bit of work. But she's doing good. It's white glitter. You want to show my friends?
It's kind of greenish in the camera.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of whitish greenish.
Right.
I don't know if you can see that, but.
All right, it's just she's mixing. Very good. All right, what's the next?
We're gonna use some activator here.
Okay.
I'm gonna use activator.
Yeah, make sure that they see that, so mom and dad can buy the right activator. There you go. Yep. So are you gonna pour it half? What did I write? Yeah, half a bottle.
If you need some.
Oh, okay.
It makes it's forming.
It's getting thicker.
Yes, it is.
Thickening. So my advice, and I usually tell my preschoolers, 1, and 2, put up your sleeves, right? Right, Layla? Yeah. Yeah, we put up our sleeve because if we don't, what might happen, Layla?
When you whisk it, it will get all over your shirt. You don't want that. This is an old shirt, so I don't mind if it gets dirty.
Okay. Ooh, it's starting to get thicker. Okay.
A little bit more activator because you don't want it sticky. You want it, this is, yeah, we just need it, like, because you guys, this is, my mama is going to give this to you, and I just want to make sure it's perfect.
Well, my preschoolers are not going to be getting it now because we are staying home for probably a couple weeks to the coronavirus slows down. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys already heard about this. So we got to make sure we wash our hands, right?
And through sanitizer. Every time if you sneeze, go on your elbow. If you cough, do it on your elbow. Also, there's another one you can take a tissue, sneeze in it, and cough it.
That's right.
And put it in the trash.
There is a
and
different
right away,
way too.
Wash your hands.
That's right. That's a different way you can cover your mouth on your shirt, inside your shirt. So all those germs, they will stay in here. They won't spread to another person.
Okay, now we're gonna take our hands in it.
Okay, here we go. This is the fun, right?
Yeah.
Look at what happens now. Look at that, guys. Oh, do you hear that?
Mama, can you get more activated?
Sure.
Because it's really sticky right now. Because you know,
oops, sorry. Go ahead.
You know, surprisingly, clear glue is so hard to whisk and stuff, and I just don't want to waste another bottle. No. So
I think we used the whole bottle. I put down half a bottle, but I guess it's one whole bottle for the 5 ounces of the clear glue. Okay, so that will be a change. Sometimes you just have to experiment with the slime and, this different texture. There you go.
Yes,
that looks like fun. Yeah.
But Mama doesn't want to go in her hands because.
Oh, what do you mean I don't want to?
Because you don't like the texture. That's all part of the stuff.
No,
Every time you complain, like, it's so gooey, like.
No, it's okay. I mean, it's good to touch it. I mean, it's different texture.
Yes.
Yeah.
It can there's one of these stretch balls. If you can get them to Michael's, you can get them at Target. There's the stretch balls. You can just
look at that.
take them with you that have like slime inside the fresh balls. So, yeah.
All right.
We're almost done.
Yep.
Because we need to whisk that. And do you want to do the
No, we're just going to be doing this one right now, Layla, and there will be another day that we can probably try the metallic glue. Right, Layla?
Yeah. Can you deal with me?
All right. So thank you very much.
Yes.
And I hope you enjoy what in practice with your parents, and make sure that your parents are there to help you out. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. I miss you and see you soon. Okay. Bye bye.